Ow. Okay. I went mountain bike riding a couple weeks ago, and I hit a big old jump there, and I wrecked. I broke my collarbone, my right side right here. So I've been down for a couple weeks. Couldn't really drive my car or anything. Oh, this is tough. We're gonna head out to Tuner Evolution pop-up meet. It's in York. Let's get into it. Yo, what up? Look at that stash.